What's up, gang? Welcome to another episode of GNCRC. So I know you're asking why I didn't open my TRX4M. Well, stay tuned. If you guys aren't subscribed to this channel, would you go ahead and please hit that button for me now? If you don't mind, go ahead and hit that notification bell as well. That way you'll get notified when a new video drops. And guys, we got plenty of videos coming. Alright guys, so I'm going to jump into why I hadn't opened my TRX4M. As some of you guys know, I ended up with 3 of these and I hadn't opened one. Well guys, I have so many projects that I'm working on right now. For the guys that have been following the channel, we got a project I'm working on, a hard part project. I'm doing a hard part build. And you guys know I'm working with Panda on the Tetra 24. I got some more stuff coming, maybe for this, hopefully soon. A lot of stuff going on. Still got the drift car. I hadn't even completed it, but I got to jump back on that at some point. Another reason why I hadn't opened it, because at the hobby shop I had seen that other one for about 2 weeks, and for me the excitement was gone to be able to put one of those in your hand and drive it, although I never did drive one of them. Next reason is because there aren't many parts available for this thing right now. So what are you gonna do with 3 of them? That's the question I've been getting. So one is for me. This is the one I originally got. This is the one that I have for myself. I pre-ordered this one and I picked it up that Friday. The second one, I got it for someone else that wasn't gonna probably have access to, well, they didn't have access to a hobby store to actually pick up one. So I told them I would just get one if they had another one. So that's why I ended up with the second one. And then later on, that person wasn't able to get it because they had some other things come up. Like I say, the third one was headed to China because they don't have access to them. It's gonna be a while before they can actually get them, which, let's just say like this, the one that's headed to China is gonna be a good thing for all of us. And the next question is, what color did you get? Well, I'll show you. You want to get you a cool everyday carry knife or just a cool knife? I'm gonna put a link below in the description. I'm gonna go ahead and open this thing. Manual, normal books, radio. This is their charger. And a battery. I don't know if you guys can see it already. I chose to go with the silver. Now I've seen a couple of these in person, but I have yet to see the gray or silver, and I really like it. I like the detail, gas can and the jack and all that. It's pretty cool. They did a real good job with these bodies. Door handles. Nice rack mirror. The chassis for the guys that hadn't seen. I'm sure everybody have seen them. And this is just how simple you put the body back on. Just like that, and it's back on. Upgrades for this thing I have is, of course, the lights. You can't go wrong with the lights. You got to do the lights. I'm just hating I'm going to lose a lot of those features once I change out that ESC, which is not a big deal because we'll just have it set where they're on all the time. We did get the slower gears. I've seen one in the shop that they actually changed this out to these gears. It did really well. The only concern was with that person that didn't have the great wheel speed. And these are the axle covers. Got them in red. Wish I could have had them maybe in silver or something like that, but that is the color I can have for that. And I did get an extra battery. Extra battery is courtesy of the person that I sent the one overseas to, because you guys know how they are about shipping LiPo batteries. I totally understand. I'm not gonna sit here and go on and on about this thing because you guys have seen it 100 times, and that is the reason why I didn't open mine, so I did open it today, and I'm glad I went ahead and did the video. Now I have it out the way. So this thing will probably get put on the shelf until one day this week, because I got some really cool parts coming in for it. I'll just say it like that, got some pretty cool parts coming in for it. But I want to thank you guys for coming over and checking out the video. As I mentioned earlier, if you guys hadn't subbed, go ahead and sub, hit that notification bell, and stay tuned, guys, because we got a really cool Christmas giveaway coming up pretty soon. I think I told you guys about it in multiple videos, but you kind of know what it is. It's going to be fairly big for my budget, I'll say it like that. But stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching. Until next time, this is GNCRC.